We are pleased to present this video to you on behalf of Solutions Advisor LLC. Our video aims to give you useful information you can use to improve your life and the lives of your family members. Please consult a lawyer who is knowledgeable about your issue for legal advice, as our videos are intended for educational purposes and do not provide any legal advice. Subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos are all ways you can support us. Why is credit repair important? Credit repair is an important process for anyone looking to improve their financial health and credit score. A good credit score can open doors to more favorable loan terms, lower interest rates, and even help you qualify for a mortgage or rental application. On the other hand, a low credit score can make it more difficult to borrow money, get approved for credit cards, or even rent an apartment. Here are some reasons why credit repair is important. Credit scores affect your borrowing power. Lenders and credit card companies use credit scores to determine how likely you are to pay back a loan or credit card debt. The higher your credit score, the more likely you are to get approved for credit and the more favorable the terms will be. Credit scores can impact your insurance premiums. Some insurance companies use credit scores to determine your insurance premiums. If you have a low credit score, you may end up paying more for your insurance coverage. Credit scores can affect your employment opportunities. Some employers check credit scores as part of the hiring process. If you have a low credit score, it could negatively impact your chances of getting hired for a job. Credit scores can impact your rental application. Landlords may check credit scores as part of the rental application process. If you have a low credit score, it could make it more difficult to get approved for a rental property. In summary, credit repair is important because it can help you improve your credit score and financial health, which can have a positive impact on your ability to borrow money, get approved for credit, and even rent an apartment or get hired for a job. Do you need a credit repair coach? Are you ready to increase your score? Are you ready to control your debt? Our sincere thanks go out to you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our goal is to bring you life-changing content, and the simple acts of subscribing, liking, and sharing are how you help us do so.